Mixed.
Hi, Camus. There's Princess Toppy here. Going to eat ice cream.
Enjoy. Enjoying. In as much as the food is really fantastic, but it's a company. Good food, good company, good place. High ceiling. You only see this in breakfast at Tiffany's. Sa mga kasi ako nung nag-Europe ako, literally nag-iisa ako. Hindi ko ma-enjoy. Eh, siyempre, wala na akong choice. Doon sa Monte Carlo kami bilinda. Kasi ito, diretsuhan. Hindi ako na, yung sabi mo nakasama boyfriend, gano'n, wala din. Hindi ako nagkaroon ng gano'ng opportunity. Kami ni Belinda lang.